Hi there. In this quick video, you are going to learn how to show hidden files and file extensions on Windows 10. Showing hidden files and file extensions are pretty easy on Windows. There are many ways to do it, but I'm going to show you some of the ways. So let's begin. So first, I'm going to show you how you can do it from the File Explorer. For that, we need to go to our File Explorer by double clicking on this PC. And from here we need to click this view menu button, and from this show or hide section we need to check this one hidden items for showing your hidden items. And here you can see that our hidden files or file items. Now for showing your hidden file extensions, again we need to click this view button, and from this show or hide section again we need to check this one file name and extensions. Here you can see that install, it is a log file, and here it is a text file and png and so on. You need to show your file extension. Suppose you have downloaded a file from the web and now you want to know what type of file is it. Now I'm going to show you the second method. For that we need to click this file menu button and click this one change folder and search options, and from here we need to go to view section, and here you can see that show hidden files, folders and drivers. We need to check this one, and hide extensions for known file types, uncheck this one. Now click apply and click OK. Now I'm going to show you the third method. For that I need to go to the control panel by click this search button and search for control panel, and here you can see the control panel desktop app. Click this to open it, and here you can see our familiar control panel. Now from this view by I need to click this one large icons or small icons. I'm going to click this large icons, and from this settings options, and now from this settings options I need to click this one file explorer options to open it, and from here you can see that again the same methods. So this is the process of how you can show your hidden files and file extensions on Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for getting more videos like this one. I'm uploading them regularly, and please visit my channel for more. Hope to see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Have good times.